Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about a typical spinal nerve. Here you are seeing this picture representing the typical spinal nerve. Here we have the spinal cord, you are finding the anterior and the posterior grey horns, the central canal, okay. From that we are getting the ventral and the dorsal root, okay. That will terminate into the respective ganglions, okay. This will form a trunk and that leads to VR and DR. Here VR as in ventral ramus, DR as in dorsal ramus. Ventral ramus will form the grey and white rami communicants that will terminate into the sympathetic ganglion. Okay. Then the ventral ramus continues to divide into an anterior cutaneous branch. In this, medial and lateral branches will be present. And then we are finding the anterior and the posterior branches. Anterior branch is forming like end arteries with the lateral branch. Just observe, anterior and lateral branch are just forming like end arteries. Okay. Same goes with the posterior branch and the lateral cutaneous branch. Okay. And this is the lateral branch of the dorsal ramus, a very small branch. Okay. And this is the medial cutaneous branch. Okay. So medial and lateral cutaneous branches. And this is the medial branch of the dorsal ramus. Okay. And lastly, here we are finding the intercostal nerve and the lateral cutaneous branch. So this is about the typical spinal nerve. What are the parts? Presenting parts. Okay. So references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.